A robot may not harm a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm.
You can build your own things that other people can use.
A robot must obey orders given it by qualified personnel unless those orders violate rule number 1. In other words, a robot can't be ordered to kill a human being.
But you can invent your way out of any box if you believe that you can.
A robot must protect its own existence. After all, it's an expensive piece of equipment. Unless that violates rules 1 or 2.